is that? Hell no, it's not a Tomei. But what's up, y'all? Too Slow M3 back. And boom. The new whip. To the new daily. Trading my E46 M3 as a daily for 2005 WRX. Blah blah. It's the new daily, boys. Pretty clean on the interior. It's just all stock. Besides a little carbon fiber. But other than that, everything else is stock. Has these AEM gauges, oil pressure boost, and air fuel. So I'm gonna show you the motor. It does have a motor swap. That's what makes this car rare, I guess. But has a EJ207 STI motor, straight from Japan, the Goodland. Pretty much stock. I got an aftermarket turbo inlet. I just put this radium AOS on, Cobb SF intake, has a catalyst downpipe, full exhaust, pretty much straight piped. But I think I have an exhaust leak, so I'm just going to get that Tomei, and that should fix it. But other than that, yeah, it's not perfect, obviously. The guy I had it from, I don't believe he treated it well. Like, I don't know what he hit, but no, now it's in good hands. I've always wanted a Subaru, so yeah. Got that exhaust. Wanna be Tomei. So, got a lot of stuff coming from this car. Obviously, wheels, coils, exhaust. I don't know if I want to do anything crazy with the mods. I really want to focus on aesthetics. Car is already fast. Like, once I get it fully solid tuned, I'm gonna have to run against the E46 and see which one's faster, and whichever one's slower, that's when it's getting the mods. So this one's pretty quick, but I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. But obviously, wheels, coils, just so much stuff. Side skirts, front lip. You know, there's so much stuff you can do with a car like this compared to the M3. M3, you're super limited on aero and other things of that. But on this car, I can make this car so much different than all other Subis, and that's what I want to do. I don't want to do like the basic Subaru stuff to it, because if I had one, which I do now, I'll have my own taste. So this car's gonna be super different from all the rest. That's what I'm looking forward to. But yeah, here she is. Of course, I'm gonna do some stuff to the interior. Probably full STI swap, or just get some buckets for it. Haven't decided yet. Obviously shift knob, what the hell you call it, bag? I don't know, shifter boot. That's just the sun. But yeah, inside is super clean. Black headliner coming for sure, can't stand the tan. Already has an STI wing. The tail lights are good. I'm gonna debadge it. It had some ugly stickers on it. I took that off first day I got it. It had some mud flaps, ripped those off. It had some wing stabilizers, ripped those off. I don't know what he was doing with, must have had a bike wreck or something, but I don't know. But yeah, the car's pretty clean. I'm happy with it. Obviously, you're not gonna find a mint WRX that's good reviews. That does not sound good, Bubba. But anyways, the only thing wrong with the car, major thing, is the hail damage. It does have hail damage on the hood. I can get a new hood. Has hail damage on the roof. I can get that fixed, because I need to get these out anyway, so the roof is coming off. Has some on the fender, but those can be pulled out. The doors are good. That's really it. That's the only thing. Has some dings there. Get a new rear bumper, get a new front bumper. Has some on the door, doing dings, but all that can come out with a painless dent repair. But yeah, I'm excited for this build. If you're excited, you want to tag along, drop a sub down below. It's gonna be sick. I have content coming for this, and M's about to be running. I know I've been saying that, but it's officially about to be running. So, ooh, get a little start up for you guys. Hear that EJ? Soon to be a Tomei for sure. Have to get a Tomei. But yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Like I said, if you enjoyed the video, you want to watch the build on this and the M3, drop a sub below. And I think I'm having a little POV action, just casual driving, nothing too crazy. Until the car gets tuned, I'll start doing more POVs, more just exhaust stuff and exhaust clips and stuff like that, you know. Some content for you guys, but